In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to Gemini 3 and start using the latest and the most advanced model on Google Gemini. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and find your Google Gemini app on your smartphone, and mine is here. Then go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you are on Gemini here you can see the latest version or the latest model is 2.5 Flash, but I like to switch to Gemini 3. To do so, just click on this drop down arrow, and here you should see various models that you can switch to. You can now switch from Gemini 2.5 Flash to the thinking, which is the Gemini 3 Pro, by just choosing it here, and you will be on Gemini here. From here, you can now start asking question, and Gemini will respond using this latest model. So that's how you can switch to Gemini 3 on your smartphone app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.